Hello everyone. Welcome to week 2. This is my little video explaining everything that's going to be happening in week 2 so that I don't have to create like a directions link, if that makes sense. Um, so for week 2, before I even get into this, I probably should have backed myself out. I want to draw your attention to right here. At the top of course materials, you'll see the engineering formula sheet. This is the sheet that you'll access to get all of your formulas for any calculations that we need to do throughout the school year. We'll be visiting that quite a bit because there is some math in this class. So I just want to make you aware of where that is. I'll probably try and link it other places, but if I don't, it's at least right there for you. So again, we're going to go into week 2. It's not published right now because it's not week 2. I'll publish it at the beginning of next week, so Monday. Ooh, not Monday, Tuesday, because we aren't in school Monday. So I'll publish it Tuesday. But let's click in and see what's in here. So right off the bat, we have the history of civil engineering and architecture. This is just some background information, some knowledge that you need to have. Normally I would have you take notes, but for this PowerPoint in particular, I'm not. For the next couple, I probably will. But just for this one, you get a break from notes. And I just want you to pay attention as we go over it as a class, or if you're working on it at home by yourself, I just want you to pay attention. There is a worksheet that goes along with that PowerPoint right beneath it. And you will fill that out and submit that to receive credit. Once we go through all of that, we'll move on to the architectural styles road trip. This is a project. You will be picking 5 different styles of architecture, and you will be locating 5 different Zillow homes that embody that style. My best suggestion for this project is that you Google specifically Victorian style homes in the US and you try to find one that's well known or has a physical address. And then either you can find the address if it just gives you the name of the home by Googling that, or you take that physical address and you plug it into Zillow. And then that'll give you a lot of the information that I'm requiring for this project. That will be the big project for the week. So once you're done that, you'll turn that in, and then that will be it for the week. So this whole week is focused on the history of civil engineering and the history of civil engineering and architecture, and then familiarizing yourself with styles of architecture and different components of architecture. Again, you're going to be submitting that right down here. That'll be due Sunday. It's just 5 or 6 PowerPoint slides if you have a title slide. Pretty straightforward, just takes you doing a little bit of research. That is what we are doing for week 2, and I will see you guys in class.